Well, so do you want to learn English but you are worried about where to start? So, no worries, I am going to share my experiences that I have been learning and for the last 10 months, and I would share my starting, okay, that how I started. So, it may help you to figure you out from this problem, and also you can start your speaking English journey. At first it's a disclaimer. I am not any teacher, I am not any like expert speaker. I just a intermediate and beginner, you can say. I have been learning English for the last 10 months. I make lots of mistakes. If you are like expert than me, then you can easily catch my mistakes that I am like having right now. Okay, you can easily catch if you know better than me. Okay, so you want to learn, but you don't know where to start. So at first, that how I have started my spoken English journey. At first, I started with listening. Yeah, it's true. Listening, it's very very important in our learning journey. So at first, how you learned your mother tongue? You may say your parents, your neighbor, your relatives, they called you in your native language. For this reason, over time you listened, and after that you tried to say, okay, you repeated their like speaking. You are trying to like imitate those person, right? So in this how you have learned your mother tongue. So the same, exactly the same way you can learn English. Like at first you have to start with listen, that I have did. Okay, so I started with listening. So like a 5 minute video or 10-minute video, I listened continuously 4 time. One video I listened continuously 4 time, and next 4 time, like I listened one sentence, and next time I repeated one sentence. Okay, in this how, by repeating, by listening. Okay, so now I am here, I can like understand English now, and I can speak a little bit. Okay, so it can help you to like start your journey from like beginning. Okay, from listening. So you can start with listening, then you can start with like listening, then after repeating, listen and repeat, listen and repeat, and imitate their accent. Their, you don't need to imitate their accent, you can make your accent unique. Okay, so you just repeat and learn the sentence structures. It will take you in a better position. Okay, and you can also, one things you can do, that shadowing. Like you are watching the video or you are listening something, at the same time you are repeating, okay, continuously with along the video. So you can do it first. It's you can do it first. Start, I have did it. Number second step is that start with basic sentences, like I have did it. Okay, I started like from basic sentences, like 2 words, 3 word sentences. Okay, like how are you? Yeah, I am fine. How about you? Yeah, I am also fine. Like this way. Okay, basic sentences. Today I am going to school. Today I went there. I went there. Like this kind of things, basic sentences I was practicing initially. Okay, so start with it, and it will help you gradually, and you will become a good English speaker. It's my promise. Like I bet you. And number three thing is that speak only 1 minute daily. Why I am telling only 1 minute? Why I am not saying 5 minutes, 10 minutes, right? So you no need to speak 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, at the beginning, just 1 minute. It's enough. Just 1 minute only. You 1 minute. Every person have 1 minute. If you are very very busy person, if you are if you spend your day like a hectic way, okay, also you will have 1 minute in your hand. So just practice 1 minute, that like I went there, I just grab a topic, grab a word, and start speaking, that I went there, I did this. And also you can do at the night time before going to bed. You can start, you can recall your you can recall your whole day, that what you have done in this day. So you can explain it. Okay, start with 1 minute, and every day just speak 1 minute, and over time, like first 1 month you can speak only 1 minute, then next month you can jump into the 5 minute, then in the 2 month you can start speaking 5 minutes every day. And after that, in the 3 month, you can start a high level like 30 minutes per day. Okay, that I have did it. So it's my experiences I am saying. So you can say like a advice I am giving you. Okay, so it was number 3. Okay, number 4 is that learn from your surrounding, like where you are, okay, and what kind of things you are having, and what kind of things you are seeing, like behind your house, besides your house. Okay, so just explain it that I am seeing that things. And there is a bottle beside me, like this kind of thing. Just explain it. Okay, slowly and slowly, and it will help you a lot. And learn vocabulary from those things. You no need to gather thousand vocabulary, a list of thousand vocabulary, and you are memorizing that. Oh, it will not, and it will not help you really. So just and grab those kind of like vocabularies that you are having surrounding yourself. Okay, like I am here is a bottle. What's called in English bottle, so learn it. Okay, it's a basic, but you can find this kind of word besides your house, lots of things. Okay, so you can do it. And I that's how I am learning like vocabularies. Okay, but also I have just fewest vocabulary within myself in my mind. Okay, but I am trying every day. So you can do it. So number 5, it's a very very important that I have seen in my practical life. It helped me a lot, and also it is helping me that you are watching the video. Okay, so by this video I am speaking, and maybe after that when I will start to edit my video, then I will see my mistakes, I will see my expression, okay, my reaction, that how I was reacting, okay, while I was speaking. So this kind of thing I will catch my mistakes, that what kind of mistakes I was doing. Okay, so like this kind of thing I will grab, and I will next time I will try to fix these mistakes, right? So just start to making video every day. Okay, at first listening, second like start with basic sentences, third like speak 1 minute, fourth like surrounder your learn from surrounder, five video making. It's a major things I think. Okay, video making, and also it's practicing, you're practicing, and the main thing is that practice and consistency. And through video making you are doing the both thing, you are fixing the both thing, practicing, and also you are continuously like speaking. So both are here, so it's a measure. Okay, so start making videos no matter how many mistakes you are doing. Just don't afraid about it. If you are recording yourself, next time when you will watch your video, then you will got the point that where you are making mistakes. So do it. And it like I had been doing this thing, and right now I am not repeating any videos, I am just listening, and I am reading sometimes. Okay, and there is nothing else I am doing right now. But initially whatever I have said in that video, in this video, just everything for your start, okay, for your beginning. Nothing it's nothing else for your expert intermediate, it's not like that. Okay, for a start you can do it. And if you once become intermediate, then you no need to shadow, you no need to repeat, just you can listen and reading, it's enough for you. Okay, so that's all. If you got something helpful from this video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. It's my like I will be sharing my experiences, my journey. Okay, in English. I'm making lots of mistakes. I don't care about it. Okay, so subscribe the channel, the Mehebub, and that's it. And okay, bye. And one things, just let me know below in the comment box, like what is the main things that you have got that you should do it. And if you already started, then what kind of things you are doing right now, let me know. I will be happy to receive your like process. Okay, okay, bye.